Okay, here we are again today with our new drone, and this is the Maiden Voyage of our new Typhoon H+. And Bobby's going to tell us a little bit about what you got to do to set up the drone to get ready to fly for the first time, and then other times that you fly as well.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is do a pre-flight check. And I have the pre-flight check that we do on every flight here on the cell phone. So the very first thing you want to do is turn on the flight controller. This is the F-16 controller. Turn it on. And then the next thing you want to do, what I always like to try to do is you want to check the battery. Battery, it does appear to be okay. Then you want to inspect the drone for any kind of damage. But this is a brand new drone, but what you'd be looking for is just got to make sure that the motors turn freely. All the arms, they pop up in place and lock. Don't know if you can hear that or not. You should hear a click. That means they're locking in place. Then you just want to double check with the kind of like just a slight push down just to make sure they're locked in place. Then you want to check for the hull. Make sure the hull with no cracks in it. Appears to be okay. You want to make sure the battery is put in all the way. Make sure when you push it in, you hear a click. I don't know if you can hear it or not. We'll do it again. There's a click. It says that it's in place. So now that the controller is on, I'm going to turn on the drone. Then the next thing that you want to do is you're going to want to be able to calibrate the drone. Since this is the first flight, you want to calibrate it. And I think if I remember correctly, they say if you travel probably more than 100 miles from your first place that you calibrated it, you want to calibrate it again. So they say that you got to be at least 10 to 12 feet away from a cell phone. So I'm just going to put my cell phone right over here.
And you also want to be away from electrical wires and metal buildings and things like that too.
Okay. Now that the drone is fired up,